So first of all, come to this swap section over here. Click on the swap section over here. All right, so you can see that the TRX here, the TRON is here, and the Bitcoin is here. Make sure that you select the CRED token over here. So this is the CRED token over here. Click on it and come and select the token that you want to withdraw. For the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to select the TRON. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So with me, NK Hustler. So I actually made a video on how you can get free TRX, and most of you have been DMing me how they can able to withdraw your token. So in this video, I'm actually gonna clear everything step by step for you to understand. So if you're actually interested in a video like this, then kindly do me a favor by subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and also don't forget to skip any part of this video because otherwise you'll miss any important parts. So without being said, let's dive into the main video. Alright, so before I'll show you how you can able to convert the CRED to TRX. This is also another free website that you can earn free Bitcoin just by performing simple tasks. It's very free. So all you have to do is to have a verified Gmail account, and it's free. Sign up doesn't require any investment over here. So this is the website over here. I will leave a link in the description. You can use this to generate passive income for yourself. So I'll show you how you can able to dive into this project. So first of all, let me show you how you can able to withdraw the TRX. Alright, so we are back on this TRX update. So first of all, come to this swap section over here. Click on the swap section over here. Alright, so you can see that the TRX here, the TRON is here, and the Bitcoin is here. Make sure that you select the CRED token over here. So this is the CRED token over here. Click on it and come and select the token that you want to withdraw. For the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to select the TRON over here. So you have to input the amount that you're going to exchange it here. So this is at 200,000. So let's input all the amount over here. So you can see that when you convert the 200,000 credit, we'll be getting a 267 worth of TRON exchange. So click on exchange and you have to confirm conversion rate, and they are saying that insufficient TRON balance for gas fee. So this is what it means. For you to able to convert this token and withdraw, you need to deposit a free gas fee over here. And this is what I actually want to say over here. Do not deposit your money on this platform because it was once paying, but now I realized that it doesn't pay anymore. So if you're watching this video, I just want to clear this off. Don't invest your money into this platform. Don't put your money into this platform. Alright, so as I said, this is the new website over here. It's actually going to be giving you free Bitcoin over here. This doesn't require investment. All you have to do is to input your Gmail account over here and click on start earning now, and it's very simple. All you have to do is to complete simple tasks and watching some of the short videos, and you get paid for it, and you can withdraw your money instantly. So if you want me to create a video on how you can make money on this platform, kindly comment down below and I will reply you as soon as possible. So this is the video I have for you. Watch it for my next video. Peace out.